Russia.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to the Tall Ship Kajama. Thank you so much for coming on with us today. We're going to have an amazing sail, but first I'm just going to go with a brief safety announcement in the very unlikely case of an emergency. You'll also find 4 orange life rings located throughout the boat, 2 at the front here and 2 at the back. They're very easy to spot, bright orange.
This one is called Roll the Old Chariot, so if you know it, feel free to join.
Right, if the wind was in our sails, it will be alright. If the wind was in our sails, it will be alright. If the wind was in our sails, and we'll all hang on behind. Roll the old chariot along, we'll roll the old chariot along, and we'll all hang on behind. Oh, we'll be on the old chariot along, and we'll all hang on behind. Well, the night on the town, 42 was setting
across the Atlantic and brought right here to Toronto. She was restored and given a new life as the ship you're sailing on today. Now as we cruise, we can take a look towards the city. A long sandbar that stretched from Woodbine Avenue into the lake. People could actually walk or ride horses to Centre Island, no ferry needed. One of the first people to write about this was Elizabeth Simcoe, the wife of Toronto's founder, John Graves Simcoe. The gap created by the storm was called the Eastern Gap, which is the channel we sail through today. Islands became Toronto's favorite escape from city life. There were hotels, amusement rides, and even a sports stadium. In fact, Babe Ruth hit his first professional home run on the island, right where the airport is today, home to a secret military base called Little Norway. After Nazi Germany invaded Norway, the Norwegian Air Force fled here and trained right at the island airport with help from Canada. Incredibly, most of the Toronto Waterfront you see today was built on landfill. The original shoreline used to stop way back near the Royal York Hotel on Front Street. From hauling cargo across Europe to running aground in Sweden and sailing across the Atlantic, Kajama has done it all, and now she's part of the city's history.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Because we just the heads of us.
Because we are mostly college university students, so any tip goes a long way, but of course no pressure at all. Also, as we dock, we're going to be putting on a ramp, so I just will ask that everyone just steps back as we put on the ramp just for the smoothest docking. Thank you so much again for coming on and have an amazing day.